congratulations to him.
Yeah,
How
it's
exciting.
really inspiring.
Yeah.
That is so awesome.
Meantime, wow, at my house, I think total for the past couple of days, over
You
5
win.
inches.
Wow.
I win, yes. Lots,
you.
lot of rain.
It's incredible how much
Grass
rain.
looks great.
Yeah, no, remember, anytime we get lightning like we've had in these 2 rounds of great storms, it's like a steroid for your lawn.
Yeah.
Anything green gets greener because those nitrates come down with that lightning and really make things vibrant. Of course, the rain is the big one, but those healing rains, an incredible record goes down. That's where I want to start with the soaking rains of May 28th. Look at this. 2.05 in this morning's rain gauge in San Antonio. The last time we've had that much rain on May 28th, 1940. 85 years ago, and it was only 1.31. So we shatter the record with 205 in the gauge. Now keep in mind that going into Monday, San Antonio rain for the year was under 6 inches. So in the last 2 days, 4 inches San Antonio, 5 inches at Great Forest, almost 7 at Stone Oak. That's incredible. 6.83. Helotes over 4.5, almost 4 at Windcrest. So again, when you compare it to what we went into this with, it is amazing. Now you see Kerrville only about 1.5 inches, but almost 5 at Bernie. Bulverde over 3.5 inches. Now today's contribution, this morning's rain is what we're looking at. That was the last 2 days, but you can see it was confined to northern Bexar County up into Comal County. But out near Kerrville, almost 2.5. It was about 1 inch near Poteet, almost 2 inches at Pearsall, and a little more than 2 inches near Del Rio. But in and around the city and metro, take a look at some of these numbers. We saw nearly 3 inches at Stone Oak. Again, that was just this morning's rain. Over 2 at Bernie, only a quarter downtown, 1 inch near Elmendorf, and about 1.5 inches out near Seguin, 2 inches at New Braunfels. Look at these storms. I mean, this is what it looked like on radar as it woke you up probably at about 4 a.m. And then it's been clear ever since. I mean, we really watched north of San Antonio for anything to erupt, and only 2 rogue storms. They went severe, dropped a little bit of hail out to the northwest of Austin, but really not too significant at all. The winds are still blowing in from the southeast. That means the Gulf is supplying us with good moisture. Dew point near 70, so a warm night at 79. Today's numbers, 86 for the high. 2 inches today, as I mentioned, now brings us up over 4.5 for May. And now we're only 2 inches away from normal for the year. So 10 is really good. Now we've got another wave expected to develop. It's not going to be during the day tomorrow. About a 30% chance will be in the forecast. But we should stay cloudy in the morning, sunny in the afternoon with 90s. But look what happens late tomorrow night into Friday morning. This is the 2 a.m. radar picture. It looks just like this morning. At about 4 to 5 a.m., this huge line, third of the week, is expected to move through and be out by about midday Friday. So the 14-day forecast from San Fernando Cathedral, we're looking at tomorrow to be a weather impact alert because any storm that does pop, we're not expecting much, but if it's isolated, it could go severe. But then a 40% chance Thursday night into Friday morning. Then isolated chances as we wrap up May and we begin June and hurricane season on Sunday with only a 20% chance it'll last right on through the 2nd and 3rd. A hot first full week of June, Nate Ryan.
You see any of that Thunder Timberwolves game tonight?